Inhebantu the Chabazinga of Basoga, His Majesty William Wilberforce Kadumbula IV. It is a momentous day for the people of Basoga all over the world as I officially announce that we have gotten Her Royal Highness the Inhebantu of Basoga following the just concluded traditional ceremonies earlier in the day that were successfully held. With the traditional ceremonies now out of the way, arrangements are underway for the Inhebantu to present his dear wife to the Christ Cathedral Bugembe on Saturday, the 18th of November, for the celebration of holy matrimony. And will also unveil the Inhebantu to the people of Basoga and the world at large. On behalf of the people of Basoga, the surrounding areas, and on my own behalf, I wish to congratulate the Inhebantu, the Chabazinga of Basoga, and the Inhebantu upon this great and memorable decision of having a family, which is synonymous with our Kisoga culture. This is a true reflection of how cultured our king and the queen are. As a person, just like other Basoga who love the kingdom, I am satisfied that Basoga's missing link has finally been formed. And I can confirm with certainty that more blessings await us ahead. I also thank the parents on both sides for the ministry of raising the children. I also want to appreciate the team that worked behind the scenes to deliver us the required, including the entourage that I moved with for this blessed. May all of you be blessed tenfold. I appeal to Basoga all over the world to keep both the Inhebantu and the Inhebantu in your daily prayers for God, Allah, to bless this new union that Basoga has been longing for, and above all, to continue pretending over our institution. Chabazinga Gawlandopo Kuna Afunvue. Now, at this time, ninze inosete mwidukuru wo waiguta ninja kukora mirimo bana bavumyenze mpulira isanu buti nawe nkonka baba kuyoza bavumyenze uwenja kunwera marwa nti babo wawe buti tsawe ntunyira ine bana dai wow ninne isanu nze kwabere buti no bwempumbu na munsi muno chenari nda necho mulinze ibanga kiyo tulinze ibanga maze wanu emyaka 8 aye nga woja kunwera marwa imwe mama buti bane rinde ndi nawe nonka ndi namani buti nja kufuna ibere baba nkusubiza ndakole mirimo oba nkutuke oba baba Inhebantu nkurinze teri kukora mulimo gona ngandiwe ndasimura ndakora buri kimu mama gede owangari nkurinze nzewe mulira mukyaka ngabasuka eisano lye tulina mu mutima lyansuiso kuba ekiseera kye tubaye tulindirire kibayire kiwanvino nga tuli kulinda Inhebantu aya amasano ge tulinago kati mu lusozi maswifu tuli kwebaza Katonda olwekyo kyatukoleire olwaleero luno okutufunira maama waife era Abasoga tuli basanufu ino.
olowooza nti Basoga kikyejja okweyongera ku ng'efunye ine tusaawe
Basoga kyejja okweyongera ku nga tufunye Inhebantu tujja kweyongera okulankulana kuba tufunye omukyala ajja otutuukanga mu nga ife abakyala especially ku byobuwangwa tubaye tuzira Inhebantu atubudaabuda atubuulirira era atutuuka mu nga ife abakyala abafumbo okutukobera biki bye tulina okola ng'ebyobuwangwa ng'abakyala abafumbo aye buti tujja bifuna era tuli basanyufu ino ekyensuiso nti tufunye atujja otukumaakuma twena tuyiza walala nga Basoga
tuli basanyufu nnyo olunaku olwaleero Katukiro wa Basoga Dr. Joseph Mubawalansekere ne kabineti bava kutwanjulira enteekateeka empya nga Baba Isefe ekyabazinga wa Basoga afunye Inhebantu Motesi Jovia. Tuli basanyufu olw'ensonga nti omuntu yenna bw'akula ewaka nga musajja ekirungamya amaka n'okuteekateeka amaka amalungi abeera mukyala. Ke tufunye Inhebantu tukkiriza nti emirimu mingi egigenda okukolebwa mu kyo okuleeta essuubi eri abaana ab'obuwala mu kusoma, enneeyisa, ebikolwa, puroguramu ezigenda okuyamba abakyala okwongera okubazza obumu n'okuvaamu emirimu emirungi eginaawanirira obwakyabazinga. Ate Baba Isefe ekyabazinga kati ayongedde okuggumira ddala nga taata. Kitegeeza nti kaakati obudde buno alamula n'ebitiibwa byonna ebiraga nti ddala yise bantu kuba Inhebantu kati alimu. N'olw'ensonga ezo tusaba Lugaba abatugondomolereko obulamu obulungi n'emikisa maka gaabwe n'okwongera okuluŋŋamya emirimu gyonna egikolebwa obwakyabazinga. Nze nga ddamu lyatwayira eriya kansala era nga munnamawulire ssanyu ly'amaanyi tusaba Katonda oyo omukisa gubeere mu makati gaabwe.
Amina.
Aye kasadiga nidikiza dipa yo diba mizira kale nenda itoke nomunu nenda itoke omuntu ni supu Mwoga omukombe hata yadileka mulutawo mwoga ozire emere onali aki
Bruno gwaba kabwe
Basoga gosa gwira
abaisi bagosa